And the other thing I would say too is even if you're not a camper or you're not a tent camper and you have an RV or know somebody who has an RV, or if you're just going for a picnic, like you said, for the day, or you're going to a barbecue or something like that, and you want to take your things, or if you just have a small refrigerator. That's what I like about thinking about RVs. One of my favorite things, and this is great to pack in your cooler or in an RV because you do not have a lot of room in that refrigerator, or even at home, certain times of the year when your refrigerators are overpacked, where do you put the 2 or 3 dozen eggs you just bought? If you can see in here, you just take your quick shake, and I already cracked some, and all you're going to do is you're going to take out your little mixer because I don't want scrambled eggs, okay? But you're just going to crack your eggs in here. I've already got some, so you're just going to crack your eggs. You can get over a dozen. There's already 7 eggs in there, okay? And you're thinking, why would I want to do that? Because now when you put your lid on, your seal on, it's now airtight, right? It's not going to anything. You can put this down in your cooler. Water's not going to get into it. And you're like, but wait, I only want 1 egg. What is the beauty of this? I'm going to set it up here so you can see it. Well, I'll have to hold it up. When you open this up, because of the way eggs are made, you pour, can you see that? Now I'm going to tip my computer so you can see that. Well, can you see it? 1 egg comes out. So when you're tight on space, or if you don't want to put your eggs like this into your cooler, because eggs are porous and they'll absorb the water. So the water will go in through the shell into your egg. So you don't want to put them in the cooler down like this, because when your ice starts to melt, they're going to get all waterlogged. So you put them in here, and like I said, that's 2, 4, 6, that was 7 eggs. So if that's 7 eggs, how many eggs can we get in there? So you can put a couple dozen eggs in there and take them, or they're great again for you know, they'll fit in the door of any refrigerator. They'll fit in the door of that little refrigerator in your RVs or your little campers. So that's one great idea, because when you pack a cooler, you want everything to stay dry. Or here's another great idea. Everybody recognize what this is, right? Our snack and store, the square one. Okay. So when I go camping, I take things like cheese, sliced cheese, because we might want to make a quick sandwich before we go to down to the lake to go skiing or whatever. Some ham, some sausages, some hot dogs, and they'll all go right down in here. So if you open it up and just make a sandwich, but you have leftovers, they go right back in here. You can leave them right in the package they come in, but then you can put this in here. And when you seal it, and remember with your square seals, you want to walk it around. When you walk it around like you're walking the bases, then it's completely sealed. It's airtight. It's liquid tight. Water's not getting in there. I can, again, put this down in my cooler. It's going to keep everything cold, but I'm not going to have soggy cheese. I'm not going to have soggy hot dogs or floating hot dogs. They're all going to stay right in here, so you can keep everything together. And then my last idea, I mean, I could give you 100 different ideas, but I just brought a couple of my favorites, is these containers are amazing because you could stack them to put things like your hot dog buns, your hamburger buns. It's going to keep them fresh. It's going to keep them dry because it's moist outside. And the other thing is, if I have this sitting on my table or my picnic table, or even in my tent, or wherever you store your food when you're out there, when it's airtight, liquid tight, it's going to keep out the ants, and it's not going to attract raccoons or skunks or bears or anything like that, because it's it's sealed in here and they won't be able to smell the food. So they're great containers. Like she said, the modular mates are amazing too, to do the same thing, but I love these, and then they'll stack right together. So make sure when you're packing your cooler that things are in Tupperware, because they're airtight, liquid tight. Not only would they keep the liquid in, but they're going to keep the liquid out.